This presentation gives the difference between alloimmunity and autoimmunity. Alloimmunity means immune response of an organism to a foreign antigen received from an individual which is of the same species. Even it may be genetically different in the sense the genotype for the particular character may be different between the donor and the recipient. So if there the antigen from an individual passing into the body of another individual of the same species and the recipient able to produce antibody against the antigen, that condition is said to be, that immune response is said to be alloimmunity. Isoimmunity, simply we can say, if there the antigen received by an individual from the individual of the same species, with that we can mean it for the word isoimmunity. And there the immunity developed against the antigen of that individual of the same species. Now here it can be explained very well with these two examples. RH immunity or the incompatibility between RH-D antigen and RH minus individual. Now even in the case of erythroblastosis fetalis, might have studied if there the fetus is RH plus positive, that means carrying RH-D antigen on RBC of blood. When introduced, even by mistake, into the body of the mother circulation, who may be RH negative, then the mother's immune system will develop antibody against the antigen received from the fetus. Stands a good example for this alloimmunity and isoimmunity. In the same way, one more example we can give, the allograft rejection. Allograft, that you may be knowing, a tissue of one individual of the same species, even the related individual, to a recipient of the same species. Then in course of time there the possibility for the rejection of that graft due to the substances produced by the transplanted graft into the body of recipient, which may produce antibodies against the graft substances and will be rejected. And the antigens or the substances produced by the graft tissue is said to be alloantigen. So that way the immune response between the antigen and the antibody of the individuals of the same species is alloimmunity. And regarding autoimmunity, in what way it differs from alloimmunity mainly is within the same individual. In the alloimmunity, between two different individuals but of the same species. To that extent they are related. But in this case, the immune system produces antibody against the substances or even the cells of the same individual. Here you see one's own body. Self-antigen, nothing but the substances produced by different cells or tissues against which the immune system will produce antibody mistakenly, considering it may be an invading or an infective agent. Or even one more reason is given for such for such an erroneous recognition. The genetic disorder due to the rearrangement of the nucleotides between the different immune genes will form a variety of variant or mutant genes which will be producing such incompatibility between the substances of the same body and the antibody produced against the substances within the same body, same individual. And there are some diseases said to be resulting out of this autoimmunity. One of the example that can be easily understood is diabetes type 1, where the antibody produced against the substances from pancreatic cells will damage the pancreatic cells responsible for producing insulin. That way, that would be resulting in diabetes. So, pancreatic cells are damaged by the antibodies produced by the same individual. So, that's an example to understand for this incompatibility between the antigen and antibody of the same individual. That way, some more examples also given, and you try with this, find out the meaning.